Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, where we make English fun, easy, and part of your everyday life. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Thank you so much for joining us today. Wow, we have a really exciting topic that can completely change how you speak English.
That's right, Paul. Today, we are talking about the secret to thinking in English. And we will share a simple 2-minute daily method that you can start using right away. This is perfect for daily life.
You know, Emily, I remember when I was learning English, I would translate everything in my head first. Like someone asks me a question, and I think in my own language, then change it to English. It was so slow. Does that sound familiar to you, friends?
Yes. Many of you watching probably do the same thing. You want to speak fast and naturally, but your brain is still working like a translator. Today, we will learn how to stop that and start thinking directly in English. It feels like magic when it starts happening.
Exactly. And the best part, you don't need hours of study. Just 2 minutes every day. 2 minutes. That's shorter than making a cup of tea.
True. Okay, let's start with a warm welcome. If this is your first time here, hello! We are so happy you are learning English with us. And if you are a regular listener, thank you for coming back. You make us smile every time.
Before we go deeper, let me ask you a quick question. Do you sometimes feel shy when you speak English because the words come too slowly? Type yes in the comments if that's you.
Good question, Paul. I think many people will write yes. I was like that too. I would know the words, but I couldn't think fast enough. My mouth would stop while my brain was busy translating.
Same here. One time I was in a coffee shop and I wanted to say, "Can I have a cup of coffee with milk?" But in my head, I was thinking in my own language first, then translating. By the time I spoke, the barista was looking at me strangely. I felt so embarrassed.
Oh no, that's a very relatable moment. Many learners have stories like that. But today, we will learn this inside your head, like talking to yourself in English. Yes. For example, when you wake up, don't think, "I need to brush my teeth." Instead, think, "I am waking up. Now I will go to the bathroom and brush my teeth." Simple sentences. That sounds easy, but does it really work? It does. Let me tell you a small story. Last year, I had a student named Maria from Brazil. She was intermediate level, but always translating. She started this 2-minute method. After 1 month, she told me, "Emily, now when I see my cat, I don't translate anymore. I just think, my cat is so cute. She is sleeping on the chair. It feels natural." Wow, that's cool. I want to try it. Let's give our viewers some easy examples right now. Great idea. Let's imagine your morning. Paul, what do you do in the morning? I wake up, I drink water, then I check my phone. Perfect. Now say it in English thinking style. I am opening my eyes. The room is bright. I feel a little sleepy. I will sit up and drink some water. Oh, I see. It's like narrating your own life. Exactly. Narrating. That's a useful word. To narrate means to tell a story, like a movie narrator. You become the narrator of your own day. Narrate. I will remember that word. Narrate your day in English. Good. Now, another example. When you eat breakfast, think, "This is my breakfast. The eggs are hot. The bread is soft. I am enjoying my food." I tried it just now in my head. It feels a bit funny at first. Yes, it feels strange in the beginning. That's normal. Your brain is learning a new habit. Like when you learn to ride a bicycle, first you fall, then you become good. True. Let me share another funny story. One day I was walking to the supermarket. I decided to try thinking in English. So I thought, I am walking on the street. The sun is shining. Many cars are driving fast. I need to be careful. Then suddenly I saw my neighbor. I wanted to say hello, but I was so busy thinking in English that I almost forgot normal words. That's a great example of the early days. What happened next? I said, "Hello, how are you?" But it came out a little slow. He laughed and asked if I was okay. I told him I was practicing thinking in English. He thought it was cool.
See? Even small mistakes can become funny stories. Don't be afraid of mistakes, friends. They help you learn.
Exactly. Now, here is another mini story. My friend Ahmed from Egypt tried this method while driving. He said, "I am driving my car. The traffic is heavy today. I must stay calm. I will arrive at work soon." After 2 weeks, he noticed something amazing.
What was it?
He started dreaming in English. Not every night, but sometimes. That was the moment he knew his brain was changing.
Wow, dreaming in English is a big sign of progress. Many learners dream about that.
Yes. So, dear viewers, have you ever dreamed in English, or do you want to? Tell us in the comments.
Good question. While you think about that, let's talk about why this method is so powerful. When you think in English every day, even for 2 minutes, you create new pathways in your brain.
Pathways? Like roads?
Yes, like roads in your mind. At first, the road is small and difficult, but every day you walk on it, the road becomes wider and easier. Soon, you don't need to translate anymore.
I like that picture. Small road to big highway.
Perfect description, Paul. Now, let's make it even more practical. What are some easy moments during the day to practice this 2-minute method?
Brushing teeth, walking to work, cooking, waiting for the bus, taking a shower.
Les, shower time is my favorite. No one can see you, so you can think freely. The water is warm. It feels nice. I am washing my hair. Today will be a good day.
That sounds relaxing. I can try that tomorrow.
You should. And here's a useful phrase. Inside my head. You can say, I practice English inside my head every morning.
Inside my head. Got it. Another phrase, get used to. Like, you will get used to thinking in English.
Beautiful. Get used to. At first it feels strange, but you will get used to it.
Let me try a full sentence. I want to get used to thinking in English every day.
Perfect. You're doing great, Paul. And you, our friends watching, you are doing great too.
Thanks. But Emily, what if someone feels stuck? What if they don't know enough words?
Great point. Start with simple words you already know. Use the words you have. Don't worry about big vocabulary at the beginning. For example, I am happy. I am tired. The food is delicious. The weather is hot.
Simple is better. That makes me feel more confident.
Yes, confidence is the key. When you think in English, you feel more confident when speaking too. Now, before we continue in part 2, I want to ask you something important. Have you ever felt that moment when English suddenly feels easier, like a door opening in your mind?
I had that moment once. It felt amazing.
And in part 2, we will talk about how to reach that aha moment faster. We have so much more to share. You don't want to miss it.
See you in part 2, friends. Keep smiling and keep practicing.